Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trim, split, or cut a video in CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this video right here to show you guys. It is super simple actually. So to just split it, you're just going to select this. Or if you want to split and delete right, select this. To split and delete left, select this button. To cut, it's pretty much the same thing. You can just go to the split mode here and just split these. It's a little bit easier to like split it like that rather than just going back and forth. You can also use shortcuts, but my preferred method is the one that I just used, which is like delete to the right or delete to the left, because most of the time I need to like actually trim it off. And if I just use this one, I will have to select it and then delete it. So I do like using these too. But just that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!